Mmm, yum.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to cook this whole wheat pasta. I am getting this recipe from the P9OX meal plan under Energy Booster. And so I have the um, water. I boiled it with the head and the skin of the shrimps. I'm going to boil this whole wheat pasta on it. And to make it al dente, you need 9 minutes to boil it or to cook it, or 12 minutes for it to be well done. I have my ready skinned, cleaned shrimps. As I said, I took out the head and the skin and I boiled it. And I used this concoction to give really great taste to my pasta. Now I have my pan. We need olive oil. Olive oil is a very healthy kind of oil. And we put the garlic in. And we have our tomatoes. By the way, my tomato is skinless. While I was boiling the head and the skin of the shrimps, I blanch it in there for like half minute and the skin peel off. Then we put in the chopped basil. I got it from my plant in the garden, so I didn't need to buy it. So I put now the shrimps. Be careful not to overcook your shrimps. It should be like 30 seconds both sides, meaning it should not be more than 1 minute cooked. Otherwise, you lose the great taste and the tenderness of the shrimps. If you overcook it, it will become rubbery. After that, you put in your cooked al dente pasta. Just mix it with the sauce and kalas. Kalas in Arabic means done. It's ready to serve. Let's see what would the prince say. Shrimp pasta Pomodoro by P9OX Energy Booster recipe. Done. So with that, I will prepare the side dish or the dessert or what should we say. Yeah, so we partner it with 1 cup of mixed fruit. So I have this calamantin, or sun-kissed. Slice into cubes, and the original recipe, it should be 1 cup of melon, but I don't have melon. It's not season here, so I have the strawberry and the clementine. Then you top it with organic sunflower seeds. This is small bowl, so 1 teaspoon of organic sunflower seeds is enough. Now it's ready to be served. We're gonna put on the plate our shrimp pasta pomodoro. It's a very simple recipe, guys, but it's very healthy. Good for those who
You say,
want to shred
Thank you,
fats on their
Angie.
body
is it good or no?
and want to have gains
I
in
never
muscles.
tasted
You
yet.
will see now.
Yum.
He loves it.
Yum.